I hope you guys are safe. So guys, in today's video I have recreated Deepika Padukone's makeup look which she has done in Bajirao Mastani movie. This look is really very simple, beautiful and very glossy. So if you guys want to know how I did, then please continue watching till the end. Also, if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so my skin is bare. I have just done CTM routine, so my skin get the most hydration. And for the primer, I'm going to use Pag's oil primer. This is one of my favorite primer, and this gives you a very nice and dewy finish, and it will just hydrate your skin instantly. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face from my T-zone to the cheek area, just patting into my skin, and then I'm just going to blend it all over my face to get that very nice hydration. So for the second step, I am just going to use this Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. This is a very nice illuminating primer which has small chunks in it, as in small glitter particles, which will give your face an instant glow. So I am just going to apply on the highest points of my face, that is the cheek area. I'm applying on my nose, my bridge of the nose, and forehead and chin. And for the foundation, I'm going to mix two things to get that very dewiness on my face. For the foundation, I have to Pag's Liquid HD foundation, and for the oil, I'm going to use Beautyco's oil. This is a very nice oil, and it will give you that very nice dewy finish, as Deepika Padukone's skin is so clear and so dewy. I am just trying to get that the similar glow on my face, so I have just mixed the two things. I am just blending it with the beauty blender, and you guys can see that shine. It is looking so nice, so dewy and so youthful. Guys, for the blending thing, I am just keeping it very slow because I need good coverage. So I am just blending it simultaneously and very slowly. You guys can take brush also, but I have done with the beauty blender. So after blending everything in, you guys can see the result. My face is looking so healthy and so youthful. It is just giving that perfect glow like Deepika Padukone. I hope I am correct. So for the blush, I'm going to use Actez lip tint, which is the beetroot lip tint. I am just applying with the beauty blender on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm just dragging it towards the temple, so it gives that very nice natural cheeks illusion. You guys can use a brush also, but I'm using beauty blender, so it just absorbs the extra product which is there on my cheeks. I'll be applying little on my nose to give that very nice natural flushy cheeks, and you guys can see this is looking so nice and natural. To set my face, I am using Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder and taking a flat brush from Pag. So guys, I am not just going to apply loose powder on all over my face. I am just applying on the under eye area to set the under eye, because we have applied foundation, and on the T-zone, so it doesn't crease and it gives a very nice natural finish on my face. You don't have to apply on the apples of the cheeks or cheekbone, just you have to apply on the T-zone to set the rest of the face. So guys, I have applied loose powder on the T-zone and a little bit on the apples of the cheek, so it settles very nicely. And I'm just taking the flat brush and just going all over my face so it doesn't look more powdery. To contour my nose, I'm using Hoola bronzer and taking a flat brush. I am just going to apply on my nose and just giving a little bit of pointed nose as like Deepika Padukone. and yeah, you guys can see. Also, I'm going to apply the bronzer on my face just to give a little bit of that very nice chisel look. Guys, everything you have to apply in the minimal form. You don't have to apply too much. You have to just keep it very nice and subtle. So guys, we'll move on the eyes, and for that I'm going to use a spoolie to just comb my brow hair, and I'm just moving in the upward direction. And then later on I am just going to take L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit in the shade dark brown 05, and I am just going to fill my brows very nice and thick and very dark, as Deepika Padukone's brow is on point. Her brow was the main thing which was on point and which just made the whole look super nice. So I am just going to do the same way. I am just doing my brows very nicely and very thick. Also for the lids, I'm just going to use concealer, and I have used Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer, and taking the same flat brush, I am just going to apply the concealer all over my lid. And now for the eyeshadow, I am just going to take Sugar's favorite lipstick in the shade Blush Rush. And this is the color which I love and I would like to wear all the time, and this looks super nice, super subtle, and the pink color is also really very nice, which gives you a very nice flushy look, a super natural look. I am just going to drag towards the crease area and on my lower lash line just to keep it very nice and natural. And Deepika Padukone has also very nice lid, like bare lids, but she has applied a little bit of color, so I'm also going to do the same way. I have just took the beauty blender and dab on my eyelid to just remove the excess on my eyelid. Doing the same way on my another eye, dragging that towards upwards, and you guys have seen. So now taking my Vega's eyelash curler, I'm just going to curl my lashes because her lashes are super nice, thick and voluminous, and it just stand out the whole look. So I'm also doing the same way. And yes, for the mascara, I'm going to use my all-time favorite, which is Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm just giving a few coats so my lash becomes a little bit thicker and it gives a super nice and voluminous eyelashes. Guys, take your time and just apply mascara slowly and nicely, or else if the mascara applies on your eyelid or the lower waterline, then it just spreads the whole look. So just take your time, guys. Also, the jewelry is of my mom's and something are mine. I've applied Tika on both the sides and you guys can see the look. For the lipstick, I'm going to use Revolution's lip kit. I have ordered this from London, Makeup Revolution, and yes, I'm going to take that rice maroon red shade and I'm just going to apply. First, I have applied Miss Rose lip pencil in the shade light red, and then later on I am just applying lipstick on my lips with a small lip brush. This lip brush is precise, so you will get that slow, nice and precision application on your lips. Hopefully the look is completed, and I hope I have done justice to the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was super easy to create. There are also many more videos on my channel which you guys can refer. I have also recreated Sara Ali Khan's makeup look, so you guys can just go and watch that one also. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will always be notified when my new video comes. And yes, love you. See you. Bye bye.